2016 FZ-07. I showed you guys this, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, something like that. And since then, done a couple upgrades to make this thing look a little bit better. And I think you'll probably like them as well. So first off, we'll just start with the rear end here. Went with, if it'll actually focus, I went with a TST Industries integrated taillight. This is, you know, it's got like 3-4 different functions, I guess you could call it, where kind of like the brake light can pulse and then it's on. Then you get kind of your sequential turn signals. You can do a couple different things, but that's better than just the stock red one that was on it. Blacks it out, makes it look nice and sleek. Also gets rid of the signals, and then on top of that, just the rear fender delete. There was already one on there, but it was crusty, so that's on there. Obviously this bike, you know, it already had the full acro exhaust on it. Just loving it. I've put I don't know, 400-ish miles on this thing. I'm trying to ride it as much as possible here before fall and winter hits, but just love the sound of that thing. Just has the adjustable levers here. Oh, that's cool. Don't mind my dog throwing up over there. Cool. I went ahead and just got some flush mount smoked blinkers up front, and then just this little aluminum windscreen, I guess you could call it. It doesn't do much but cover up the front of the bike and makes it look a little bit sharper. So just a couple simple mods for this bike. All around, I've been loving this bike. I decided that instead of keeping this through the winter and into the spring of next year, I'm gonna try and sell it before winter. So hopefully somebody nabs this thing up. It's I mean, it's a pretty sweet bike, really good condition, and has what, 16k miles on it. So there's your flush mounts up front. This just give you kind of an idea of the TST Industries. So that's just kind of sequential. It's on hazards right now. So there you go. So yeah, I'm looking to sell this thing. Prices, they're, I don't know, they're sitting right around 4,500 to 5 grand for a bike like this. I paid 3,500. The guy was asking 45. It was one of those things where I offered 3,500 and he's like, no way, man. And then 2 weeks later, he's like, I'd do it today. Need the money. So that's what happened. I shot to Missoula, bought this thing. We've got some pretty twisty highways around here, and also just, you know, our interstate here. A couple different mountain passes that are pretty awesome to ride. Used to have a 2009 R6 that I ripped around. Had that for like 4 or 5 years. That handled quite a bit better than this. I mean, this, you get just the nimbleness, flickability, and obviously, I mean, the front end comes up when you're getting on the interstate and you're going first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The front end just it's just a hell of a bike to ride. But I will say one thing: the front suspension needs tuning. Taking it through the twisties, it's, I don't know, it's just, it does not feel planted. Didn't feel like I was going to crash or anything, but you could just tell that, you know, the suspension is just, it's just not right. The big complaint about it that I've seen online is 100% true. You know, maybe if you're not pushing the bike as hard, like if I'm just cruising on a gentle road, nice gentle curves, it's fine. but like when I really try to go into corners, and it's, you know, a little uneven or something, you can really feel it, and it doesn't inspire a whole lot of confidence going into corners fast. That's the bike. How much would you pay for one of these guys? Like I said, I paid $3,500. Hopefully I can make $1,000 off of it. $4,500 is still probably a reasonable deal for one of these. And 16K miles, a little high, I'd say, but nothing crazy. So bike is all freshly serviced, ready to go, and hopefully in the next month or so we can sell this thing. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching. Every view helps this channel, every like, every subscriber, so I appreciate all you guys constantly tuning in. If you could do me a favor down below, by now I might have some new Wild Moto merch out. Maybe. Anyway, check the links out down below, and you'll probably find out quick. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.